In this video, I'm going to teach you how to cancel GoHighLevel subscription. So from there, you can actually go over to your browser and then search for GoHighLevel.com. You should be able to see in here your actual website. In here, you can choose from signing up by clicking on this 14-day free trial. And you can see in here, or you can just follow the on-screen instructions in order to sign up for an account. But since you're canceling a subscription, that must mean that you already have an account. So just proceed to log in and just input your credentials. Once you have done that, you should be able to see in here your actual launchpad or dashboard of your Go High Level. So once you have logged in, just navigate to the settings. You can find it on your left sidebar right here under the very bottom. Click on this right there. And once you have clicked on it, you can find in here the billing. It's under My Business. So click on this right here. Now, under your billing, you can see this right there. So you can just look for the option to cancel a subscription through this way. So if you cannot find the cancel subscription under the billing page, that must mean that you're currently on a sub account. In order to cancel it, you need to be on an agency account. So click onto this switch and make sure that you're on this agency view. Come in there, click onto the settings, and once you have so here is our actual subscription. And as you can see, this is actually different than what we have saw earlier. So if you want to cancel it, click onto this want to modify or cancel your subscription option. And in here, you can either upgrade your current plan, you can choose a trial extension, or if you still want to cancel, click onto this cancel plan option and choose in here the reason for that and click on next. And then in here you can see this. So they will actually still try to not get you to cancel, but you still want to, just click onto this I still want to cancel and click on I still want, click on I still want, and sure I want to cancel. As you can see, there's a lot of buttons that you can choose from. And you can also submit the feedback, like for example, not using it enough. Now from this one, you can also make this 30 words minimum. So you can write in here what you want. And from there, just head over and click on submit and enter in your password in order to successfully do this or cancel your subscription. Into this port, head over and click onto this cancel subscription. And then after that, your account will be canceled and you will lose access with everything. So as you can see, since it's been canceled, all your sub accounts and accounts will no longer have access to the platform. So you can head over and then log out from there. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.